Hello guys, so yan, may kikitaan tayong follower natin na nag-PM. Sabi niya di pa daw siya nakakaangkas sa big bike and she would like to experience it. So since wala naman tayong ginagawa, pupuntahan natin siya. Ayun na ito siya. So yan, tingnan natin. Sana mabait siya guys. Hello. Musta? Name? Name? Maki. Say hello to Maki guys. Have a bag?
Yeah, I do.
Eto, sige. Saan ba tayo? Gasolinahan, is it because ano? Maliwanag? Sige.
Nararamdaman mo ba na nag-a-adjust ako? Sorry.
That's fine.
Sorry.
Ba, hindi siya masakit?
I feel like I need something for my... It's okay.
Okay ka lang?
Yeah. Kaya naman. Matigas lang na upuan.
Ha?
Matigas lang yung upuan. But it's okay.
Madulas?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Bakit yung po na yun eh? Yung stock? Okay ka pa dyan?
Feeling ko kailangan ko i-wear yung jacket ko sa ano.
Sa?
Wait lang.
Mainit?
Ang sakit eh.
Mainit?
Hindi. Oh, medyo.
Okay.
Sakit eh. Matigas
Sige, wait
eh.
lang.
I am so sorry.
That's fine.
Hindi
Baba.
ko expect. Oh my God, sorry. Hindi ko expect
Mainit?
na matigas. Aray ko.
Is it matigas or mainit?
Matigas.
Matigas? Okay. Sige.
Wait lang. I am so sorry.
That's
Sobrang
fine.
hassle.
Okay lang. At least parang comfortable ka.
Gulot rin na konti kasi.
How is it so far? Matigas? This one? Parang mainit. Hindi naman. Tolerable. Kasi nandito yung exhaust niya eh. Okay.
Matigas na talaga. Nagulat ako doon.
Super sakit, no?
Akala ko nga walang
Okay.
tigil.
About the ride, like, gusto ka slow lang or okay mabilis or ano?
I'm fine with the mabilis.
Okay. If too much na, you can top me, ha? Ha?
Yeah,
Okay.
don't worry. Game na ako?
Yeah,
Okay na
sure.
ako?
Go. Yeah. Kumusta? Kumusta?
Okay naman. Masaya.
Masaya?
Pwede na!
Gano'n, di ka natatakot ha?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Hindi pa yan mabilis eh, no? So guys, we're done shooting na. It took us how many hours? More than 2? More than 2 hours. Napagod pala yung ganito guys.
Sorry.
It's fine. Okay?
Yep.
Okay, let's
Kapit
go
ako
na
sa'yo,
guys. Yep. Thank you Petron for lending us the place.
Please sponsor us. We arrived in one piece.
Yeah. So guys, dito na si Maki. Papaalam na siya. Thank you ah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Magbabay na si Maki, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, thank you. She's kind, guys. She's jolly. Kala ko, tama picture-picture lang. Tama posing-posing. Or it's more than that. But at least napa-experience natin sa kanya. So, kakain ng big bike. So, Maki, if you're watching this, thank you. Again, till we meet again. Maybe sa truck na. Kasi nag-shoot siya, guys, sa truck.